friends, it's Lerato P. How are you doing? I hope you are great, and I do want to say Merry Christmas. And if it's not Christmas yet, when you're seeing this, I do want to say Merry Christmas in advance. Hi, so today I will be doing a Merry Christmas look number 2. So I'll show you guys a simpler look for your Christmas dinner with your friends and family, and well, whoever you're enjoying your Christmas with. So today's look is going to be very simple, and this is the look that you can try if you like have no or you have limited time and you have to prepare your Christmas dinner, you have to be busy with all of that. So this look will be just quick, of course, and anyone can try it because I am the unprofessional and it's nothing complex really. So yeah, friends, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you do want to see more of the Christmas looks that you can try for Christmas dinner, why not just subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'd get notified whenever I post. And with that being said, let's just get straight. This is a Merry Christmas look number 2. Ah! Alrighty friends, this is the end of this video. Now this is the final look of Christmas look number 2 that you can choose from. So this look is really simple compared to the first one that I tried, and it includes also a lip gloss. It's just simple, right? It's not too much. So oh, I am in love, and I edit these things, I don't know, they're for nails decorating, but you know what, they work well. And you know me, I am the unprofessional, which means I make things that don't work. So yeah, do you see that? Do you see that? And today I don't have like my super long lashes, so that's why I said this was like a simple look. and you can go anywhere with this look, obviously not on red carpets. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Christmas looks, and I will see you on my next video. Kisses until next time. Merry Christmas. Ah, I should fix this hair. I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay. This is the final look. Ah, appreciate ya so much. And please do subscribe, friend. And yes, I know that you didn't know that you'd be my friend, but now you are. So yes, and you don't get a saying that. From today, you and I, we are friends. Hi, friend.